Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a minimal toolset, node, and an editor. Once installed, make a project folder and run npm initY to create package. JSON, this saves you manual setup. Then create index. HTML and app, JS, and open them in your editor. Load index. HTML in a browser and open DevTools. Use console. Log right away to print values and confirm code runs. This first loop, edit, save. Refresh gives fast feedback so you learn outcomes, not just syntax. You'll move from basics to practical structure quickly. Start by choosing let versus const and understanding primitive types. That prevents common bugs. Then write small functions and use callbacks to manage order of execution. This shows how code flows. Next, manipulate the DOM by selecting elements and changing text or styles. This connects code to visible results. Make microprojects like a counter or form validation. These force you to combine variables, control flow, and events, which you're close to a complete workflow. Refactor into functions and modules so code is clear and reusable. This makes future changes safe. Then test across browsers, set breakpoints, and step through code to see variable states. When an error appears, read the stack trace to find the line and reason. If you get stuck, isolate the failing part, add targeted console. Log statements, and if needed, revert to a minimal working version. This methodical approach finds problems fast and teaches resilience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.